Friday, lovely day, supposed to be nice and scorchy all day. So today we have a side garden path and a rear patio around the conservatory. Nothing major, quite a bit of algae knocking around, a little bit of black spot. So quite a bit of black spot. Hypo will get rid of that, no problem whatsoever. And this is it. So we are pressure washer in, Hypo in, and replacing any grout that gets pulled out by the cleaning process with just a brush in dry, kill dry sand. So initial wash down, pretty good. Hypo will get rid of any black spots, green spots. All the slabs have been taken down to their aggregate. Loads of black spots still left lying around. I'll apply it with the X-Jet, let it sit, and and I'll have to manually scrub this one, I think. Okay, so we're all done. Just on a final sweep up and blow. Just going to do a quick walk around now. I'm very surprised how well it came up. The amount of black spot that was left over from the initial clean was a lot, but the Hypo and the strength of the Hypo that I used a 3-to-1 mix on this and let it dwell for 45 minutes all in, but and a manual scrub, and it's come up really well. Customer's very happy, so that's us done for the day, and that's how we do it on GuardianHydroClean. See you on the next one.